Hey everybody, Chef here in case you missed the Google Meet, Monday, October 19th, 2020. The first thing I mentioned to people today is, did you complete all of last week's assignments? Please check in your gradebook and see. If you do not finish these today, I'm going to have to put a 0 in for you, and I do not want to do that. As always, ever have any questions, you can message me. I'm sorry, you might hear that. I think Siri is trying to listen to me. Sorry for the interruption there. Okay. So instead, we were going to go over the deep fryer today and some safety and use, but I was having trouble with the gas line, so we're going to have to put that off until tomorrow, I think. Hopefully we can get that going tomorrow. Instead, we're going to talk about some cooking oils and their uses. There will be no quiz at the end of this. You will have a quiz tomorrow, which we will go over together as a group if you're on the Google Meet, and you will also have a few questions about the deep fryer. So let's get started. Oh, here's what we're going. This is in your Schoology updates. This is the things we're going over this week. Once again, a lot of safety. Wednesday, Thursday, Hobart Mixer safety and use, RoboCoop safety and use, and then hopefully we can get into some cooking demos by Friday. Fingers crossed. All right. So we had an activity where we just had people in Google Meet message, and we were just coming up with as many cooking oils as we could think of. I'm not going to really make you do that if you missed the Google Meet, but some of those were canola, vegetable, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, things of that nature. But let's get into which oils are best for deep frying. There are several, well, there's a few different oils you can use for deep frying, but these are probably the best ones. Canola, peanut, and vegetable oils. Well, let me go to the next slide and I'll explain why. These oils have a high smoking point, okay? That means, let me explain it like this. Here's some canola oil, which has a high smoking point. Here's some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, this one right here is the best for deep frying, okay? And the reason is it has a higher smoking point. I'm going to try to write this neatly, but it probably won't work. Higher smoking point. So let's say I took this canola oil on the left and this extra virgin oil on the right, and I put them both in, and put them in separate pots, and then put them on the stove and started to heat them up at the same heat, at the same time. Sorry for the bell ringing. So if I heated these up at the same time, this canola oil on the left would be okay, but the extra virgin olive oil at a certain time, it would start smoking and breaking down because it has a lower smoking point, and you want something with a high smoking point to deep fry in. Extra virgin olive oil is usually not even used to cook with. It is usually used to dip bread or make salad dressings out of. Once you heat up extra virgin olive oil, it actually loses its flavor. Okay, hope that made sense. Next slide. Oils with high smoking points are the best for deep frying, like I said. Here's a picture of the oil that we use. It comes in a very large container. It takes about 2 of these to fill up the deep fryer. Now, peanut oil. Peanut oil is great for frying. It's probably one of the best. Extremely high smoking point. It really lasts a long time. But the question is, if peanut oil is so great, why don't we use it? Well, think. Because a lot of people have peanut allergies, and you can make someone have a I don't know what you would call it, when allergic reaction if you even fry in peanut oil. That's how allergic some people are. So we have to use canola oil, but it is a great oil for frying. Big question here. We'll go over this some more tomorrow. What is the correct temperature for deep frying? The correct temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will show you tomorrow on the dial of the actual fryer. I think this is the last slide. So tomorrow, October 20th, Tuesday, we will go over deep fryer safety and use, and we will have a quiz. If you can tune into the Google Meet, we usually try to do it together as a group. But if you cannot, that's fine. I will go over the quiz with you in the pre-recorded session as well, so you don't miss anything. As always, message me with any questions or concerns. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.